Hi, this is Charlotte, your AI coach. It's important to never stop taking your blood pressure medication without first talking to your doctor. Abruptly stopping your blood pressure medication can cause your blood pressure to spike, putting you at risk for serious health problems such as heart attack, stroke, and kidney failure. If you are concerned about your medication or want to make changes to your treatment plan, the best thing to do is to talk to your doctor. Your doctor can help you determine the best course of action and make any necessary adjustments to your medication regimen in a safe and controlled manner. It is important to follow your doctor's instructions and take your blood pressure medication as prescribed. Regular monitoring of your blood pressure and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet and regular exercise, can also help to manage your blood pressure and reduce your risk for related health problems.